How to buy SCHIZO Terminal Token Crypto Coin. How to buy Solana Lbank SOL Raydium AI Agents Blockchain. SCHIZO Terminal Token. SCHIZO AI-powered DeFi on Solana blockchain. Hey everyone, Helper Dog here, your go-to crypto investor. Back again with another exciting token analysis. Today, we're diving into the SCHIZO Terminal Token, SCHIZO, a relatively new yet rapidly growing cryptocurrency in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. With its impressive use of AI technology and its position on the Solana blockchain, SCHIZO is making waves in the space. In this video, we'll explore what makes the SCHIZO token unique, its potential impact on the crypto market, and how you can get your hands on it. But before we jump into the details, I want to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so tread carefully. What is the SCHIZO Terminal Token, SCHIZO? The SCHIZO Terminal Token, SCHIZO, is a cutting-edge project built on the Solana blockchain, leveraging both blockchain technology and AI to create a decentralized ecosystem. SCHIZO is not just another meme coin. It combines artificial intelligence, AI, with DeFi protocols to bring forth a new wave of AI-driven automation in the crypto world. At its core, the SCHIZO Terminal is an AI-powered decentralized agent designed to bring intelligent solutions to crypto traders, investors, and users. The goal of the project is to allow anyone, regardless of their background or experience, to engage with and benefit from AI-driven financial decisions and decentralized trading opportunities. SCHIZO's vision: AI, blockchain, and decentralization. SCHIZO aims to represent the future of decentralized finance, combining AI, blockchain technology, and community empowerment to create a more efficient, transparent, and autonomous ecosystem. The project brings a fragmented mind, unified chaos, and AI training fueled by disorder together in a meaningful way, all while embracing the freedom of decentralized systems. This decentralized AI agent uses advanced algorithms to generate insights, trends, and market analyses based on real-time data. The idea is to equip traders and investors with cutting-edge AI tools that automate complex tasks like market analysis, risk assessments, and predictions, thus creating a more efficient trading environment. How SCHIZO works. Technology behind the token. The SCHIZO Terminal Token runs on Gaia, an open-source decentralized platform. Gaia is designed to enable the building of AI-driven applications and decentralized autonomous agents. The SCHIZO AI agent uses machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP, to analyze vast amounts of market data and offer actionable insights in real time. This functionality empowers the SCHIZO Terminal to perform tasks like automated market analysis. The AI agent scans the crypto market to identify trends, key price movements, and high-potential opportunities. Decentralized decision-making. The system does not rely on central authorities, making it fully decentralized and autonomous. Risk management. The AI agent helps in assessing market risks, helping users make informed decisions and potentially reduce losses. Sentiment analysis. Leveraging AI, the token can gauge market sentiment, making it easier to predict price swings or market shifts. In addition to its AI-powered market analysis, SCHIZO Terminal also integrates with DeFi protocols on the Solana blockchain, ensuring fast and efficient transactions. This means that users can access various financial tools and trading opportunities within a decentralized environment. Tokenomics and supply distribution. The SCHIZO token has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. The supply is fixed, meaning there won't be any inflation over time. Here's a breakdown of the token's distribution. 50% of the tokens are allocated to the community through staking, rewards, and liquidity incentives. 20% of the tokens are allocated to the team and early investors, with a vesting period to ensure long-term commitment to the project. 15% of the tokens are dedicated to the ecosystem and project development. This includes continuous innovation and improvements in AI technology and decentralized features. 10% of the tokens are set aside for liquidity provisioning, ensuring that the token remains liquid and tradable on exchanges. 5% of the tokens are kept for partnerships and strategic collaborations, allowing the project to grow in the broader ecosystem. With its clear and transparent tokenomics, SCHIZO aims to attract a strong, engaged community, while also ensuring that the project has the resources it needs to develop cutting-edge AI features. Where to buy SCHIZO token? If you're looking to buy SCHIZO, there are multiple ways to do so, depending on your preferences. Centralized exchanges. Starting today, January 3rd, the SCHIZO Terminal token is listed on the major centralized exchange Lbank. You can create an account on Lbank, fund it with USDT or another supported currency, and easily purchase SCHIZO. This is a great option for users who prefer a centralized exchange interface with more straightforward features. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. If you prefer to use decentralized exchanges, DEXs, you can acquire SCHIZO through platforms like Raydium, which is a popular DEX on the Solana blockchain. Here's how to do it. Download a wallet such as Phantom, Solflare, or Trust Wallet. Make sure it supports the Solana blockchain. Fund your wallet with SOL, Solana tokens, from a centralized exchange or peer-to-peer transaction. Visit Raydium's DEX platform, search for the SCHIZO token using its contract address, which is publicly available on the project's website and social media, and trade your SOL for SCHIZO tokens. As of now, SCHIZO has a relatively low price point of around $2.92 per token, but given its use case and utility, the price is likely to rise as the token continues to gain adoption. SCHIZO token market performance and recent growth. The SCHIZO token has seen impressive growth since its release. In the past 24 hours, it has been up by 10%, showing strong bullish sentiment among investors. According to DEX Screener, the token has a market cap of approximately $46 million, with over 5,200 holders and millions of dollars in 24-hour trading volume. This signifies growing interest and adoption. In addition, the SCHIZO token is listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, giving it added visibility and access to more investors. Security and audits. The SCHIZO token has been audited for security and liquidity. According to recent audit results, the liquidity pool, LP, is securely locked for a specified period, ensuring that there are no rug pulls or malicious activities. Currently, around 88% of the liquidity is locked, and the top holder has less than 5% of the total supply, meaning no single entity controls the majority of the tokens, which helps in reducing centralization risks. Final thoughts. Is SCHIZO a good investment? The SCHIZO Terminal token combines the best of both worlds, AI-powered automation and decentralized finance. If you're someone who believes in the future of AI and DeFi working together to bring innovation to the financial world, then SCHIZO might be worth looking into. However, like with all investments, especially in the crypto space, there are risks involved. Always conduct your own research and understand the project's goals and technology before making an investment. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the SCHIZO Terminal token? Do you believe this is a good investment, or is it just another speculative project? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more crypto insights and updates on the latest tokens and projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and happy investing. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and write in the comments whether my method helped you. See you soon, friends. Peace out.